Hi there, thanks so much for watching. Today I'm showing you how to make the one and only sauce Vietnamese can't live without. We use it literally on everything. Dipping, dressing, seasoning, and as a marinade. Let's get right to it. Alright, we start with adding fish sauce, water, and sugar into a saucepan. Mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Shoot the pan as well. Cut and squeeze 1 lime in. And finally, mince 1 to 3 or even more red hot chili pepper. You may use Thai pepper, fresno, serrano, habanero pepper. Now, when handle hot pepper, try to be in contact with the inside of the pepper as little as you can. The oil can be really unpleasant for your skin, and it can last for a long time. Now we just simply bring the pot to a boil on high heat. Just make sure you're not going anywhere to keep an eye on it. Remove from heat, give it a stir. We just let it cool down completely before serving. Perfect dipping sauce for summer rolls, spring rolls, or a dressing for salad, slaw, and specifically for rice dishes. This is a classic Vietnamese rice dish with marinated pork and egg meatloaf. You got to try it. I will have this recipe coming very soon, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss it and all the great recipes I have for you in the future. Until then, have a great day, my friend. Bye bye.